In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer drawer divider in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new freezer drawer divider, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For ease of access, we're going to remove the freezer door. This step is optional. To remove the freezer door, open the freezer and locate these two bolts on the back side of the door near the upper corners. Slightly loosen them with a 1/4 inch nut driver, wrench, or socket. Once loose, you can lift the door off the hanging struts. To remove the drawer stop, insert a small flat blade screwdriver into the slot and gently start to pry on the locking tab. Then grab and pull to remove. You may find this tricky. Repeat the same on the other side. Now, remove the top drawer by sliding it out and lifting up. To remove the drawer divider, pry on the front until the retaining tabs clear the bottom drawer, then rotate up to release the back locking tabs. When shopping for a new drawer divider, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the drawer divider, insert at an angle and hook the back, rotate down and firmly press the front until it snaps in place. To install the top drawer, align the rear wheels to the rails, ensuring the guide is aligned properly, and push back in place. To install the drawer stop, align and firmly press in place. Repeat the same on the other side. To install the freezer door, align the hanging tabs near the bottom of the door to the slides and the bolts to the notches on the hanging struts. Once the door is seated properly, tighten the bolts. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.